guys, what's up? It's Mystical Waters here, and today I have some good news and some bad news. So once again, summer is already over before I can get my phone fixed and start updating you guys with some videos. So I'm gonna get right into the video, okay? So the good news is I'm opening a new Discord server. Now right now I don't have enough time to complete it, so it will be a little undeveloped, I guess. But basically, Discord is a free app for gamers and YouTubers. You can enter voice chats and talk to others, share art, fan fictions, and plenty of other things. You can meet new friends and share interests and so much more. I've been on Discord for a little over a year now, and it hasn't caused my computer or phone to slow down, nor has it caused any viruses. The link will be in the description, and I hope I'll see you guys there. Now, the bad news is that I am going to my dorm very soon, which means I'll be very inactive. This will be my last year at this school, so hopefully I will be able to upload more after this year. Now this channel will be having some changes going on. First of all, there won't be as many texting stories anymore, because I just really don't care for them anymore. I will upload them every now and then, but it will be very rare. What I will be doing is playing Minecraft and other games with my friends, and even possibly you guys. Since my dream is to become a voice actor, I will probably be doing some voice acting stuff as well. Well, for now guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you are new and enjoy what you see, and I will see you soon, my friends. Have a nice day. Goodbye!